Dear students, in this video tutorial, we will learn about alkyl and non-alkyl. After watching this video, you will be able to explain the formation of alkyl group. Also, you will be able to write the structure and name of alkyl group, and you will be able to know the non-alkyl groups in the naming of organic compounds. Firstly, we will see what is alkyl group and how it is formed. The alkyl group is formed by removing one hydrogen atom from alkane. The symbol R is often used to represent an alkyl group. See, when we take the example of methane, the molecular formula of methane is CH4. After removing the one hydrogen atom from it, CH3 remains, which is called as methyl. Likewise, in ethane, when we remove one hydrogen from it, CH3 CH2 remains, called as ethyl. The alkyl groups are named by dropping ANE from the name of corresponding alkane and adding the ending as YL. That is, removing ANE and adding YL gives alkyl. Remember that the alkyl group is not a compound and it must be bonded or attached to another atom or group of atoms. Now we will see the names of common alkyl groups. See here in the table the names of first 10 parent alkanes and their structure is given, and also the names of alkyl groups and structures formed from first 10 alkane is given. The general formula of alkane is CnS2n plus 2, and the general formula of alkyl is CnS2n plus 1, as the alkyl group contains one hydrogen less than corresponding alkane. See here, the first alkane is methane having formula CH4, and by removing one hydrogen from it, it forms CH3 known as methyl. As we learned earlier about the naming of alkyl groups, likewise from ethane, by removing one hydrogen remains CH3CH2 called as ethyl. From propane it forms propyl. From butane, butyl. From pentane, pentyl. From hexane, hexyl. From heptane, heptyl. from octane, octyl, from nonane, nonyl, and from decane, decyl. These are the names of first 10 common alkyl groups. When we see the structures of alkyl groups, you will observe that there is a dash or a hyphen, which means that the group can be attached to a atom or group of atoms to form a chemical compound. Now we will see the names of non-alkyl groups. A number of non-alkyl groups are used in the naming of organic compounds like halogens, chlorine, bromine, iodine, and fluorine. When the halogen is attached to alkyl group called as alkyl halides, and the alkyl halides are the compounds which contains carbon and halogen bonds. See the example of ethyl chloride. In this, the ethyl group is attached to chlorine. In common system of nomenclature, it is called as ethyl chloride, and in IUPAC system of nomenclature, it is named as chloroethane. While naming in IUPAC system, the halogens will be named as chlorine chloro, bromine bromo, iodine iodo, and fluorine as fluoro. And these must be prefixed to the corresponding alkane, and the IUPAC name is given. Likewise, see the example of N-propyl bromide. Here, the bromine is attached to propyl group. So, it is named as N-propyl bromide. But in IUPAC system, it is named as 1-bromopropane, as the bromine is attached to carbon of first position. Now see the example of iodine. The iodine is attached to ethyl group. So it is named as ethyl iodide in common system, and the IUPAC name of this compound is iodoethane. When fluorine is attached to ethyl group, it is named as ethyl fluoride, and the IUPAC name will be fluoroethane. Also, there are number of non-alkyl groups other than halogens also used in the naming of organic compounds like nitro, amino, and hydroxy. When nitro group is attached to ethyl, its common name is ethyl nitride, and the IUPAC name is nitroethane. When dash NH2, that is amino group, is attached to ethyl, the common name is ethyl amine, and its IUPAC name is ethanamine, not a aminoethane as we have given in the first example, as the group is prefixed, then parent alkane name is given. But in this, ethanamine is the preferred IUPAC name, so it is named as ethanamine, not as aminoethane. Likewise, when dash OH, that is hydroxy group, is attached to alkyl group, it is named as ethyl alcohol. As ethyl group is attached to dash OH, that is hydroxy. In IUPAC system, it is named as ethanol, not as a hydroxy ethane, as the ethanol is the preferred IUPAC name of this compound. The preferred IUPAC name is used when any compound have more than two IUPAC names, then the preferred IUPAC name is used. Thanks for watching this video. Subscribe the YouTube channel